A study of more than 17,000 C-suite executives found something surprising about those who became CEOs quickest. Those that became CEOs quicker than the 24-year average didn't do it via elite MBAs. They didn't do it by getting prestigious jobs out of prestigious universities. They didn't even do it by climbing the corporate ladder. In fact, only 24% of them even had elite MBAs. Instead, these CEO sprinters, as the researchers call them, experience one of three catapults. One catapult is that they took a step sideways or backwards in their career. They moved into a smaller project or even a smaller company like a startup, and this forced them to take on more responsibilities. They acquired skills like managing a budget or setting a strategic vision. The second catapult is that they grabbed an opportunity. They grabbed it before they were ready. Being there was more important than being ready. A host of these CEO sprinters took roles way beyond their expertise and experience, but learnt as they went. And the third catapult is that they inherited a mess. Taking on a fixer-upper can be an important proving ground for a future CEO, that they develop crucial skills like rallying everybody to a cause or working under pressure. These three catapults were so powerful that a number of people landed in the CEO role even though they didn't aspire to become a CEO, simply by taking on one of these three so-called pathways. The researchers even recommend you seek out these catapults, particularly if you're part of a group that might find the path to the top slower, like women who take 30% longer to become CEOs than men. But each of these pathways are laced with risk. They require self-belief, resilience, and a willingness to fail. Becoming a CEO is hard, but being a CEO is hard and requires self-belief, resilience, and willingness to fail. So you might as well start now. Seek out a catapult and watch yourself fly to the top. If you want to become hardier, happier, and more fulfilled by learning about resilience, then subscribe by the button above.